this video, I show you how to easily turn your idea into a presentation with Canva Magic Design. Let's jump right in. Start by clicking Presentation on the Canva homepage. Once in the editor, navigate to the Design tab. Describe the presentation you have in mind in the search bar. The AI will generate some templates that fit your idea. Click on See All to get a preview of all the templates that have been generated. Here, you can upload your own images or videos. If you have set up your brand colors in Canva, click here to apply them to your presentation. To check out all the pages of a template, just click on it. Next, add the pages to your design. Now, you can edit your presentation if you want. Feel free to add photos, emojis, elements, videos, and charts, and tweak the text as needed. Magic Design is a Canva Pro feature. On a Canva free plan, you have 10 lifetime uses of Magic Design. Thanks for watching and happy creating!